Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about ICP. Um, ICP is, of course, it's still gonna be my favorite. I'm holding it right now. I think I got like 40 ICP or some shit like that, and I'm comfortable. This has happened before. If you look in the past, this has happened before. $28, $26. We made a new low here at 23, 24. That should scare the fuck out of people. Yes, but it's not the end. Like, it's not the end. I'm in over my head on how much money I got in, so I know I'm scared. So if you got some money in and you're down, don't worry unless you bought all the way up here. I will worry. No, I'm just playing. You just have to wait a couple years, maybe like 1.5 years, and then we'll be back up here towards 500, 600. All that shit that people be telling you about bull runs and shit. Look at the market caps. If the technology isn't understood by the time that the bull run is here, then your crypto doesn't receive any love. I think ICP has a $12 million. Let me see. I think it's an $8 million market cap. All right. Looks like a $5 million market cap. Yeah, because they sold it the fuck off. But last time I seen it was about $7 billion. Excuse me, people. $7 billion. There's a $5.3 billion market cap at this point in time. But ICP is a complete gem that we already know. But the market is not allowing anything to be better right now than Bitcoin. Right now, I feel what Michael Saylor was talking about. He was saying that Bitcoin would pretty much still a show for the most part. Like, our altcoins, they don't give a fuck about our altcoins right now. People are starting to see value in Bitcoin. But ICP will rise to the top. People will start being Bitcoin fanboys and start looking into the technology. Definitely, of course, you want to own some Bitcoin, you want to own some Ethereum, but ICP is going to be, I would say, probably top 10 within the next 3 years. So, nobody wants to buy this shit. Nobody wants to buy at the bottom. Nobody wants to buy at the bottom. Most people don't even know what these other blockchains provide. I didn't know about Solana. I didn't know about shit. You know how I learned about crypto? Getting into shit coins and losing my fucking money. And then realizing, oh, it's safer than in these bigger projects. Now I got into the bigger projects and I'm losing my fucking money. Then you start to realize, okay, let me really look into these projects instead of just buying off of hype and market cap. Glad I didn't get into ADA. No, I'm just playing. But listen, have your convictions about your coins, then make your decisions. Because it could be anybody holding these. Everybody got caught in a trap if you bought it lately. If you got bought in the last 2 weeks, you got caught in a trap. You think you're buying low, you got caught in a trap. So ICP's obviously doing what it's been doing. I just look at it like this. I was in the market back in May. I had a nice amount of money in the market back in May. ICP went down all the way to excuse me. Yeah, ICP came down. I think I bought it at 114. I think I was here where it started coming down all the way to like 20 something dollars. And that taught me, like, why would this investment go down so much? Why? Like, because I was in the stock market and I would trade different stocks, and yeah, you would have a 10% negative day and I would feel it negatively more because I was trading options. So that would just wipe out my percentages. But when you trade actual spot prices on crypto and you're seeing that they'll drop the price, they'll drop a crypto coin, ICO, and then they'll just let it bowl out like this. Just let it bowl the fuck out. Like, this is fucking illegal to me down there. But, this is not a market for you to be here looking for, like, a handout. Like, this isn't safe like the stock market. When you get into this market, you got to understand it's unregulated. And some of the technology is beyond some of our understandings. So if you're investing into something that you don't know what the fuck it is, then you kind of just setting yourself up for the okie dokie. So what I'm going to say is this. Can ICP go lower? Hell yeah. But then they're putting ICP any lower is putting it at $0. Like, look how far we are from zero. All these altcoins are close to $0 now. Like, what the fuck? Like, if this isn't the biggest shakeout because we are about to have another leg up, then I don't know what the fuck then. Like, I can't map this out. I can't chart this out. It's obviously at the bottom. It's at the bottom of any chart I can put up. It's at the bottom. Simple. If it breaks through 29, you're probably looking. I can do that. I can do that. If it breaks through 29, then you're looking at 0. No, I'm just playing. Let me see what it is. I mean, damn near. Like, what the fuck? You damn near at 0. This is 0. Where else is ICP to go? Like, this is the bottom. It can't go anywhere else. They're already a well-funded startup, and they have a lot of engineers that are well known in this space. So pick your crypto that you're going to be holding wisely. Have a plan for this next leg up, because ICP is going to go past $100 again within the next 6 to 8 months. But are you going to get out, or are you going to think that it's going to go to 500 this cycle? Like, it's not. We have to bring more money into the space in general. We have to be at 100 trillion to have an ICP at 4,000, 5,000. We do. You might not think so, but we do. We need to be at a 200, 300 trillion dollar market cap in the general. But it's possible. And it's possible by adoption. And the adoption is going to come by connecting the two worlds, the fiat world and the blockchain, the real world and the blockchain. And ICP is going to be instrumental in providing a platform for that. Look into it yourself. Do your own research. ICP to the moon. Don't fucking sell the bottom, because that's the dumbest shit you can do. I don't give a fuck what you got to do. This is not financial advice. Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.